tidbits. Today we're going to talk about shoulders. There's a few things that can go on with shoulders. The first thing is shrugging. This can happen on an erg or in a boat, so I'll show you here. It's when you bring your shoulders up closer to your ears. On an erg, I'm not sure it does a whole lot besides just make you uncomfortable and not put your body in the best position. In a boat, it can actually change the depth of your blade and definitely gets you out of that power position. So shoulders nice and relaxed, down as if you're pinching a pencil back here between your shoulder blades. Then once that happens, leave them nice and level, forward and backward, which you can practice on the erg. Then, as we add the complication to the boat, which I'm going to try and show on the erg because it is actually snowing in Salem, Oregon, which does not happen very often. I can update this video later. Anyway, so as you add twist to what you're doing, you want to keep your shoulders as level as possible. It's very common to add a twist like this that adds tension in your spine and kind of gets you out of the power position. Some people also twist like this. Just keep those shoulders nice and level. So then you're just going. Another thing people often do with shoulders is kind of related to other things, but they pull with their shoulders first as opposed to pushing with their legs first. So make sure your shoulders aren't leading, your shoulders are just following at the same angle that they were at the catch. It's pretty simple with shoulders. Hope you enjoyed this video. Subscribe to the channel.